Hi, welcome to Rise Up Training Studio. We are a private, one-on-one, personal training studio here in Pasig. So our gym is very private. We have our set of clients who are scheduled by the hour and they go here to train with me. So 1 year na to gym ko and everything we have here functions in a way that is really doing two things. Serving my needs as a lifter and having my own gym, and also serving my clients' needs when it comes to getting stronger and building their bodies, as well as a safe space for them. Kasi one of the key things of this gym is always making sure each client have their time, their hours, solely for their needs. So mga equipment na nandito ko, first and foremost, this lat pull down right here. Nakuha ko lang to ng sale, so medyo gusto kong palitan to siguro in a few months. Ito yung mga unang binili ko when I came back from Hong Kong last year. Ito equipment na to is one of the pinnacle of any power lifter is to have their own squat rack combo. When I started powerlifting, ito yung parang mga pangarap kong magkaroon, and I was able to fulfill that dream earlier this year nung nabili ko siya. And syempre, mga power bars ko andito. And my calibrated plates for competing kasi saktong-sakto and measured by the gram yung weights niyan. And the bumper plates I use para lang mas madaling mag-load ng plates kasi nakakapagod pag puro baka at saka feeling mo lagi mababasag yung kamay mo. Siguro kung meron na natitira ditong equipment coming from my old roster of equipment, it's gonna be my dumbbells. Matagal na to eh. I've accumulated this for years, yung mga sets nito, itong mga weights na to. I plan to change them and use more kilograms kasi ito na lang natitira dito among the weights we have here na pounds pa rin. Kasi coming from Hong Kong, enjoy ko yung counting ng kilograms. Another equipment I really love using is the Smith machine. When I started coaching before, this was demonized ng sobra. Wala daw silbi to, etc. But when I learned and opened my eyes how other training modalities work and hindi dapat maging dogmatic, yung tipong isang klaseng training lang ang alam mo, I came to love this equipment. Napaka-versatile ito equipment na to. You can do presses, you can do deadlift, you can do squatting, as in lahat kaya niya. Ang kulang lang dyan is your imagination and your ability, lack of ability to coach people in different kinds of equipment. So, syempre, niwawala ang isang adjustable bench. Tagalan nito, I got this from iron supply pa. From Grant Teng when he was still supplying. This is an isolateral back machine. I use this to work the lats and the upper back. I love this equipment because it makes the body stable as you sit down and use it. And then, ito yung mga last two equipments ko here besides the bumper plates and the deadlift jack is my dual cable functional machine. This is where I use a lot of my cable movements. The main reason why I use cables is because it's more stable and more, kumbaga parang targeted when you use it. And this is what I try to use for clients who need some work on their backs, on their chest, and I use it as well. Nung bumalik kasi ako rito from Hong Kong, going back to the Philippines, one of the things I wanted to do was create my own studio. And then my growth this year was mainly, nag-decide ako, why not build a gym that will serve my needs as well? As an expression of self-love to myself and being a coach for all these years. Tapos, nung bumalik kasi ako dito, nag-member pa ako ng Anytime Fitness. Although I'm still a member, pero a big bulk of my training was there. Eh, yung biyahe, nakakapagod. So sabi ko, fuck it. I'll honor what I want and buy the stuff I like. And di pa ako tapos. I'll have a pendulum squat machine here. And siguro binili na ako leg extension and leg curl. All in accordance sa serving two things. Serving my needs, what I want. Kaya ikaw, if you're watching this, ikaw muna lagi mauuna para maging maligayan na sa paligid mo. Kasi yun din yung ginagawa ko dito. I serve myself first, my needs. I express my love for myself first, and then I express love to all my clients.